our sanchit karma, our accumulated psychic impressions, they control our thoughts. Our sanchit karmas, they control our thoughts. In the Vedic language, the Jnanamaya Kosha controls the Manomaya Kosha. Jnanamaya Kosha, where the karmas are accumulated. Manomaya Kosha, where thoughts are originated. And when you are doing Shiva Yoga sadhana, you are erasing continuously in every sadhana, you are erasing a lot of accumulated karmas. When you are doing Shiva Yoga sadhana, you are erasing accumulated negative psychic impressions. Every time when you meditate, you resolve and let go of all the unresolved issues of life. And when you do that, your thought process, it changes. Earlier, the thoughts which were coming in the mind every day, there is a quantum change in your thought process. Psychology says that every day, whatever you are thinking, next day, 95% of that thoughts will be coming in your mind. The similar thought patterns. And the next day again, somewhat similar, 95%. That is the chain or the series of thoughts which are there. If anyone is thinking negatively, that means there is a sequence of negative thought patterns every day. Next day, 95%, next day, 95%, similar. And if one is positive, one is having a thought of faith and belief in the self, the conviction that he is going to succeed, is going to be healed. The same series of thought patterns will continue. One has to initiate. And as these sanchit karmas are released, the hold on to negative thoughts is gone. The root cause which was controlling those negative thought patterns, those accumulated karmas, the psychic impressions, the unresolved issues, they are released. There is a vacuum. Now that is the vacuum you have to now consciously, knowingly fill with what you want. When there is a vacuum created, then you remember my voice saying, Tum chahte kya ho? Now replace that series of thought patterns into the thought, into the vision, into the belief, into the faith of Tum chahte kya ho, and replace it with you have already achieved what you want. The faith and belief that you have already achieved.